to another video of Torture the Cartoon Cat.
Oh no, our table is broken.
Okay, maybe I shouldn't have done that. Violet. Hi. Introducing Louie the and Dewey thing. If you don't watching TikTok. Alright. Anyway, first up, we're gonna smack him with the table.
Oh no, our table is broken.
Not again. Alright, anyway, part 2. Now break the chair. Alright, this is the cat that we're gonna be torturing today. Cartoon cat. Anyway. Wait.
You can't be this close to me, Gabriel,
Alright,
if you want me to be able to see what you're doing.
Alright, cameraman. Anyway. Wait, Violet, do something. Wait! Bye. I'm making Alright, cut.
Hit it.
Thanks, video sponsored by Minecraft. Okay, cut. Sponsored by IHateMcDonald's.com. Are you suffering from McDonald's? Go to IHateMcDonald's.com. No.
Gotta say something.
Yes. Quarter. Whoever goes to IHateMcDonald's first gets a donation of $100. It's a quarter. All right.